What up guys, Michael here and welcome back to my channel, Fitness Enthusiast. Today we're having an exciting product to review, the Huawei Band 8. In this video, we'll be discussing the cons of the Huawei Band 8 so you can make an informed decision before purchasing. Let's dive right into it. So the first thing that I noticed is limited availability. One of the downside of the Huawei Band 8 is its limited availability. As of now, it's only available in China, which means that customers outside of China may have a difficult time getting their hands on their device. This limitation can be disappointing for those who are eagerly waiting for release in other markets. Huawei will need to expand its availability to cater to a broader customer base. And number two that I noticed is the no built-in GPS features. Unlike some other features trackers on the market, the Huawei Band 8 does not come with a built-in GPS features. So GPS can be incredibly useful for tracking your outdoor activities such as running or cycling. It provides accurate distance, speed, and route information. Without GPS, users of the Huawei Band 8 will need to rely on their connected smartphone for GPS data, which not be ideal for everyone. And the other thing that I notice is limited app integration, because compared to other fitness tracker on the market, app integration is an essential aspect of fitness tracker, as it allows users to sync their data, track progress, and access additional features. While the Huawei Band 8 does offer some app integrations, it may fall short compared to its competitors. This limitation can be a drawback for individuals who heavily rely on specific fitness apps or prefer a wide range of options to choose from. And the other thing that I noticed is no built-in voice assistant features. Voice assistants have become increasingly popular, providing users with hands-free convenience. However, the Huawei Band 8 lacks of a built-in voice assistant features, which means you won't be able to perform voice commands or ask questions directly from your fitness tracker. So this limitation might be a letdown for those who enjoy convenience of interacting with their devices through voice commands. Now that we discussed the cons of the Huawei Band 8, it's important to note that these drawbacks may not be deal breakers for everyone. Some individuals might be willing to overlook the cons due to the Band 8's other features or pricing. It's essential to consider your personal preferences and priorities before making a purchase. That concludes our in-depth discussion of the cons and Huawei Band 8. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insight to help you make an informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fitness related content. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you in the next video. Stay fit and have a fantastic day. Peace out.